Very much. Bago ang lahat ay nais kong batiin at i-congratulate ang ating Mayor, June Bernabe. Napakadami pong achievements sa larangan ng edukasyon. And in front of you, I would like to say that, alam niyo, nalulungkot ako noong una kasi yung second district ng Parañaque medyo napabayaan pagdating sa pagtatayo ng mga bagong schools. But in the very short time that he served as mayor, napatatag niya agad yung dalawang malalaking eskwelahan na nais kong bagitin ng espesyal ngayon. Yan yung dalawang high school sa second district ng Parañaque. Una, yung Moonwalk Annex of the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School. Ayan. At pangalawa, yung San Valley Annex ng Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School. And I know how it feels to be called annex. Kasi parang annex, parang nakadikit ka lang. Wala kang sariling identity. Because when I was studying in a public school in Quezon City during my time, ang tawag sa amin noon, Project 3 Annex of Quezon City High School. Nakadikit na kami annex, parang saling ka lang, no? So pag sinabi mo, saan ka nag-aaral? Sa Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School. Doon sa San Martin. Hindi. Sa annex ng Moonwalk, annex ng Project 3. But today, by virtue of Republic Act number 10065, as already announced, principally authored by your congressman here in the second district of Parañaque, you are not anymore an annex, you are not just an ordinary high school, you are now Moonwalk National High School. And I would like to now formally present to you the copy, framed copy of Republic Act 10065. This is a copy, but I'm going to give an original. And I'd like to read very quickly Republic Act number 10065. Ito po, pinaghirapan natin. I really had to work overtime kasi napakahirap magpa-approve ng National High School. Dahil ang Senado, parang ayaw nila. Sabi na ako, dagdag na gastos na naman yan. Dagdag na pondo na naman para sa Department of Education. Mahirapan na tayo. Ang dami ng National High School. But your congressman fought hard para ma-approve ito. At ito, and I'd like to read an act separating the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School Moonwalk Annex in Barangay Moonwalk, City of Parañaque, from the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School, converting it into an independent national high school to be known as Moonwalk National High School and appropriating funds therefore. Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the Philippines in Congress assembled, Section 1, separation and conversion into a national high school. Ayan, binasa ko na yan. Section 2, transfer of assets and liabilities. Ayan, Mrs. Bernaldez, pero transfer of assets and liabilities. Para kang nagbibigay ng anak sa pagkasal, no? Mababawasan ka ng konti, pero sa anak mo naman ibibigay. All personnel, assets and liabilities of the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School Moonwalk Annex are hereby transferred to and absorbed by the Moonwalk National High School. Ito importante. Section 3, appropriations. The Secretary of Education shall immediately include in the department program the operationalization of the Moonwalk National High School, the initial funding of which shall be charged against the current year's appropriation of the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School Moonwalk Annex. Thereafter, the amount necessary for the continued operation of the school shall be included in the annual General Appropriations Act. At yung budget na yan, ipaglalaban kung sino man ang magiging congressman sa susunod na Kongreso ng Pilipinas. The Secretary of Education shall issue rules and regulations that may be necessary to carry out the purpose of this Act. Effectivity. This Act shall take effect 15 days after its publication in the Official Gazette. Medyo mainit pa ang pirma dito. Ito'y pinamahan noong March 24, 2010. Noong isang araw lang halos. Signed, Juan Ponce Enrile, President of the Senate, Prospero C. Nograles, the Speaker of the House, then signed also by the Secretary of the Senate and the Secretary General of the House of Representatives. And, alam nyo, very rare ito nagulat ako. Kasi normally, ang isang bill na ganito, pinapalaps na lang, ibig sabihin, pinapayaan na lang, 30 days after it is sent to Malacanang, pinapalaps na lang. But, surprise of all surprises, this was signed by the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, President of the Philippines. And it is now my pleasure to present this to your principal, Madam Lawrence. It is my honor to present this. Sana po, i-display niyo ito sa inyong opisina para makita ng lahat ng mga nag-aaral, kasama na siyempre yung mga bagong alumni natin, itong bagong identity ng inyong eskwelahan, Moonwalk National High School. At binibigay ko rin sa inyo yung original ito po ito frame lang, copy lang yan, pero inihabilin ko sa inyo ang original na ito tinatawag na engrossed copy at talagang nakapirma ang presidente dyan. Ayan po sa inyo. Ako po'y tinawagan ng Presidential Legislative Liaison Office. Sabi sa akin, Congressman Goles, pwede bang ibigay nyo yung engrossed copy, the original, on behalf of the President sa eskwelahan. So I now have presented this to you, ang original. Maraming salamat po. So, yun po ang Moonwalk National High School. Dapat pagbuhin yung diploma nila. Moonwalk National High School. Wow! Pag sinabing National High School, ang taas na ng antas. And now I am here. This is my little contribution para sa inyong eskwelahan. Ipaglalaban natin yung budget. Kanina nga, sinasabi sa akin ni Mrs. Connie Bernaldez na panay daw ang follow-up ng Department of Budget and Management tungkol sa budget ng eskwelahan ninyo. At ako hindi nagugulat sapagkat yung bagong DBM Secretary, si Jake Lagunera, ang nagkataon medyo naging kaibigan natin, ako'y National Security Advisor at tuloy-tuloy yung aking pakikipugnayan sa kanya nung siya ay Senior Deputy Executive Secretary at talagang pinapalot niya. Andito po ako at nais ko munang magbigay galang sa mga personalidad na nandito. Kanina, nagbigay galang na ako kay Mayor June Bernabe, sa ating Master of Ceremonies, Jasmine Ranches at si Renan Botalon. Magandang accent ni Renan. Important accent, kung magsalita. Siguro, nag-moonlight ito sa call center. Kaya ganda magsalita. Ang ating principal, OIC, Wilma Gloria. Malapit na ang hindi OIC, pwede nang malapit ang tanggalin yung OIC. Of course, the very gracious at generous pagkat binibigay niya. Yung iba, ayaw nila ipamigay. But you know, during the hearing talagang kusang loob na binibigay niya ang independence ng Moonwalk National High School, our principal of the Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School. Na ako rin ang principal author ng nationalization ng Dr. Arcadio Santos National High School, and Congressman Goles is also the author of the nationalization of the Parañaque National High School.